So today we're going to talk you through the PhysioRoom.com Mini First Aid kit. Basically we're just going to discuss why you'd use it. The main implication obviously, if you've got a first aid kit, then you can deal with anything from if your children fall over, anything like that. So if you have it in the car, or if you're going out to relatives, anything like that, or going away on holiday. Also useful if you're looking after any football teams, or if your son's in a football team, obviously you can look after anything to do with that. Main people who can use it, basically anyone, if you've had a little bit of first aid training, or if you need a plaster or anything like that, I'm sure it's fine, and there's stuff in the bag that can be used. Just to give you an example, what we've got in, we open it up. The kit comes with an instant cold compress. So within the cold compress, you just basically crack it. It's instant, it's usable, you don't have to store it in the freezer. But then once activated, obviously you might just need to keep topping up your bag if you do find that you use them. Next thing, obviously, you need, if you're doing anything with changing any bandages or anything like that, or if you're cutting any plasters, then you need some scissors. So the kit comes with a handy little scissor pack. Again, if someone's maybe going a bit hypothermic and you come across someone, you can use the foil blanket to keep them warm. Same thing with any Vaseline, and obviously if you've got sore lips, then it's an easy application for that, but also it can be useful with wound care. So if you find anyone, or if your partner or anyone else has got a small blood wound, and sometimes once you've used your swabs and things like that and cleaned the wound, you can just seal it with a little bit of Vaseline. Triangular bandage, obviously very useful if someone's injured the shoulder, dislocated the shoulder, or any fractures, that you can just stabilise that shoulder, and it'll take a lot of the pain away by stabilising the injury. And then obviously before you take them to any hospitals or anything, it's just a really quick, easy way of reducing their pain. Simple bandaging for anything, wounds or anything like that, or keeping plasters on, or keeping any for wound care. So your pack comes with 3 of those. And then also with the pack you get some simple saline solution. And this again is really good for wound care, or if anyone's full of mud or blood, and just be to quick wash that wound out before you clean it, or applying any dressings really, or anything like that. Also can be used sometimes if someone gets something in their eye, then they can just use it as an irrigation to clean the eye. If you do come across someone, or one of your family members has a blood wound, then obviously again you can use examination gloves, and it keeps the eye environment sterile, so you're not going to put any bacteria into the wound, so you can use the gloves, and it also protects the patient of anything that you're carrying as well. Just comes with 2 of the triangular bandages. Obviously adhesive plasters, comes with a metre roll. You can use your scissors to help cut, and then obviously you can, for any size, you can help cover the wound. For the triangular bandage, obviously you need some safety pins to make the bandage, so the pack comes with some safety pins. And that leads nicely onto the swabs, where again, if you've got quite heavy bleeding, then with your gloves on and everything like that, and then you can swab the wound, very sterile, keep the wound nice and clean. And then obviously if you need to, once it's stopped bleeding, when you've used the swab, a bit of Vaseline, a bit of bandaging on top, and then obviously you're good to go back on the pitch. And that's it, that's the pack. So you can order your mini first aid kit from PhysioRoom.com today.